Hey YouTube, this is Pink Panther 69 again. I just wanted to do a little video. Might want to say it's a unboxing video. I keep listening in the chats and everybody keeps stressing about needing a good carry knife and good flashlight and everything else, so I went ahead and broke down and ordered something. So let's go ahead and get this opened up and see what we've got. The reason I've never really spent money on high-priced knives and everything is because for probably 27 years now at least, I've been using stuff like this for my carry knives and everything, just because this is what I use at work. As you can tell, it's got quite a bit of wear on it. So it's supposed to be a thumb safety here that I took off just because it's easier to use at work. So let me get this box open and we'll see what we've got. Just hold on a second. Okay, I'm back, and of course I've already popped it open, so let's see what we've got. There's the receipt. Okay, aside, that's all packaging. And let's see what we've got here. Yep. A lot of you might have guessed I had to go with the Harley Davidson. Of course, it is a Benchmade. So everybody talks about Benchmade and Kershaw and everything else, and of course I had to get one with the Harley Davidson. Let's see what we've got here. It's kind of hard to do with one hand. So, guess I'm looking through the viewfinder. Oh, there it is. There we go. And there it is. Oh, real nice. And of course, Auto Tanto blade. It's about the only one I could find since these are discontinued, but I was lucky enough to find this one, and of course I had to snag it up. So real nice. Got the lock there. So I just thought I'd give you a little share video of what I got in the mail today, and I'll see you later. Thanks for viewing. Bye.